Just sold is 1329 Manzanita Drive in the highly desirable Mills Estate area of Millbrae. Spanning 2,010 square feet, this spacious residence offers comfortable living with elegant touches throughout. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas, highlighted by a cozy fireplace and abundant natural light. The well-appointed kitchen features marble flooring, granite countertops, ample cabinetry, and modern appliances, making it a chef's delight. An additional versatile room provides the perfect space for entertaining, a guest room, large office, or exercise room with convenient backyard access. The primary suite is a private retreat with a true walk-in closet, a luxurious jet tub, and a bidet. 3 additional well-sized bedrooms include one with access to a Jack and Jill bathroom shared with the hallway. Step outside to a mostly level lot with plenty of space for activities and gardening, complete with a mini greenhouse. Enjoy partial views of city lights, the bay, and SFO from select bedrooms. This amazing home was listed at $2,398,000 and sold in just 6 days at the great price of $2,580,000. Congratulations to my wonderful seller clients on a successful sale, and a big welcome to the new owners and new neighbors here in Millbrae. Wishing you all the best in this next chapter.